This video is a ClickMagick tutorial on how you can track the exact source of where your traffic's coming from. So if you're an online marketer or CPA marketer, maybe even a solo ad vendor, and you're running traffic in various places, maybe Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Bing ads, maybe Google ads, but you don't know where the traffic's coming from, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that in this ClickMagick tutorial. What's up, guys? Hey, this is Kirshana Sykes. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Making money online is the focus here, as well as tutorials just like this one. So you like this? Go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell notification button, because every time I upload a video, you're going to be notified. Now, if you are interested in making passive income, the type of income that you can make when you're on your job working, or while you're on vacation spending time with your family and friends, I'm going to invite you to take a look at my #1 recommendation for passive income. It's the first link in the description below. Now, when you click on that, you're going to go to a website, and that is actually where you're going to start to learn how to create a passive income online. Right, so I'm in my test account for ClickMagick, and I'm going to click here because I've already set up the link that we're going to use for testing, and it's this link right here. Guys, if you want to know how to create a tracking link in ClickMagick, this right here is not the video for it, but if you look above the suggested videos, I will go through a short training on how to create a tracking link. This is the same exact link that I showed you guys in ClickMagick that I created, but the difference is that I have added a /. I've added where I'm going to run traffic to Google, and I'm going to use add one. So the difference to identify what traffic source this link is coming from is the /, the Google, the dash, add one. I'm running traffic to this link. It's going to go to Google, and it's add one. It's my first ad. Okay. Here, the second one, it's the same link, /, still going to run the traffic to Google, but this time is going to be add two. Notice the difference in between the way I set these up. You can use a dash, put an add one here. You can use another /, put an add two here. Whatever you prefer. You can put 5 words in between these /. But this is the way that you identify your traffic source. So when someone clicks on it, it'll show up in ClickMagick identifying where the conversion came from. So you see I have YouTube add one, Bing add one, Facebook add one. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I am going to basically copy and paste these links into a incognito, because I want it to track the conversion. Okay, now obviously you aren't going to see the difference up here. Okay, it's just going to show the name of the landing page, but it's not going to have the unique identifier on this link. That's the reason you have to go to ClickMagick to check out those conversions. All right, so what I'm going to do is pause this. I'm going to click on each one of these links so that it will record a conversion. And then I'm going to flip back to ClickMagick and show you how it looks in ClickMagick. All right, so now we are back in ClickMagick, and as you can see, again, this is the link that we were testing out. You can see one unique click. A unique click means that they measure the number of unique clicks by the IP address. Obviously, I've used this IP address to click on all 5 of the different links. So it's not going to record 5 unique clicks, it's going to record 1. But as long as you have a unique click here, then the next step, you want to click on total clicks, okay? This is the number of clicks to your unique click that you're testing, which is right here, okay? You're testing this link. So when we click on total clicks, see how you can, it tells you under the sub ID, how many clicks went to the Bing ad one that we set up, how many clicks went to the Facebook ad one that we set up, how many went to Google ad 2, as well as YouTube ad 2. So this is how you can track where your conversions are, the source of your conversion traffic, okay? And it's really easy and simple to do. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. Most importantly, I hope that you learned something from it. So let me know in the comments. Let me know if you liked the video, if you have any questions or anything. Also, hit the like button, share it out, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell notification button so you'll be notified of all of my future videos that come out. Now, the resources that I use in this video is ClickMagick and I reference ClickFunnels. Both are in the description. There's going to be a link for you to go ahead and click on that if you want to try that out. And of course, if you're interested in passive income, it's the first link that's in the description below. I'll see you guys next time.